Okay, just finished installing a grass flap on this. This is a Toro Grandstand multi-force. It's got the dump mulch barrel up on the front of it there. So I want to show you, this has got the hand lever on it and then the grass flap itself. So let's start down here. This is the all steel blocker plate on the Toro. So it bolts on with a no drill mount, bolts onto the existing tabs to put the no drill mount on. Then the grass flap itself bolts to that no drill mount. Got the built-in deflector handles on here, so it works out really nice. And then the spring connects here, cable connects here, and then cable routes up underneath here. And I want to pay particular attention to the cable routing because the Grandstand has a muffler over here, and you've got to stay away from that. You also need to make sure you stay away from the belt. So what we've done here to get that is we run the cable back here and put a little zip tie on this holder for the belt cover. Then we make this little loop back in here. And then we come down here and zip tie this down to this pivot point. This doesn't move. And then we come back across the back end here, run through this little feature here, and then zip tie it again back here to this pivot point for the foot pan. That keeps the cable all stable in that while it's on the mower. And we come up here to the hand lever. So this hand lever works out really well. It bolts down here. There's a cover in here that comes standard on the Grandstand. And so this no drill mount itself bolts to those existing holes on there. Then the hand lever bolts to it over on the side here. Really nice because it's back here out of the way. It's easy to reach from the operator position. So standing here in the operator position, it's a pull and release motion. So if you just pull it straight back, here's what you're going to get. So what I'm actually doing is using this lever to kind of flip it over past midpoint, and then it'll come right open. The other nice feature about this hand lever version is that you've got a partial open position, and you can adjust how far open that flap is based on where you set these two jam nuts here on the fitting when you install it. So by adjusting the position of those either at the flap end or here, you can change how wide open it is in that partial open position. So there you go. I think it's going to be really nice. The other beauty is, so the foot pan itself still closes. You get it up out of the way. You still got the hand lever out here. If you're walking behind it, you can still very easily reach the hand lever and operate your grass flap. Toro Grandstand, this is a 52-inch with the grass flap and hand lever version.